Good morning, everyone. I'm Sahana Banu, and I'm honored to stand before you all today. You show me any global corporate logo, I'll tell you the company's name. Show me any country's flag, I will tell you the country's name. Tell me the calling code of any country, I will tell you the name of the country. But today, I'm not here to talk about the things I have achieved. Rather, I'm here to talk about something that's really important for all of us in our lives. How to turn your failure into the first stepping stone towards success. All these abilities didn't come from me overnight. Like our famous Albert Einstein said, it's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer. They were the result of countless hours of dedication, hard work, and practice. Fueled by the determination to turn my dreams into reality. At this age, I've achieved 5 Guinness World Records and won 382 trophies in various categories. But let me tell you, these achievements were not easy. I faced numerous hurdles, experienced immense doubts, and had to push through hardships that seemed impossible to overcome. Yet, one thing was constantly with me, my perseverance. In the year 2013, at the age of 3, I saw an advertisement that said, children's marathon slots open. That definitely did spark my interest, but unfortunately, the registrations were over, as it was the last day for the registration and the slots were filled. I was disappointed, but my mother encouraged me to participate in a fancy dress competition instead. And guess what? I won. This small victory at the age of 3 was just the beginning. It gave me the confidence to try more unique challenges like public speaking, storytelling, country flags identification, identifying corporate company logos. At the age of 5, I had won 382 trophies. But I did not stop there. I wanted to achieve something bigger for my age. So I set my sights on the India Book of Records for my expertise in identifying country flags. And I identified 138 country flags in a minute and 296 country flags in just under 3 minutes. The process wasn't that easy, but the effort was definitely worth it. Inspired by that success, I aimed for the Guinness World Record. Unfortunately, my first attempt didn't go as planned. I failed in the first attempt. I didn't succeed. I was definitely heartbroken, but I didn't let that failure stop me. Rather than crying and grieving, I tried harder. I tried again this time, and this time I succeeded. Not only did I break the record, but I also became the first Indian to enter the Guinness World Record thrice on the same day at the age of 5. At this age, now I'm 13, I achieved my 5th Guinness by identifying 60 young adult book authors in a minute. I'm also writing a book about teenage experience, which I hope will inspire others like you. But my journey definitely didn't stop there. I took a bold step forward and founded Tayal, a company whose mission is to eradicate plastic. Our mission is simple, yet powerful. Replace plastic bags with eco-friendly cloth alternatives. What makes this project even more special is my incredible team, made up of widows and marginalized women from the society who are tirelessly working to produce these bags. The initiative definitely did have a lot of challenges, but our hard work was paid off in a big way. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu himself recognized our efforts and even autographed one of our products. A moment that filled us all with immense pride. What I want you to take away from my story is this. Setbacks are just a part of the journey. As Winston Churchill once wisely said, success is going from failure to failure without losing your enthusiasm. Whether you're aiming for a world record or just trying to do the best in your school, you will face a lot of challenges, but you should never let those challenges stop you or define you. Rather, use them as a fuel to practice more, push yourself harder. More than that, believe in yourself. No matter what others say, you should believe yourself. Even when things get tough, you're the best friend for you. Remember our Mahatma Gandhi's golden words. First, they ignore you. Then, they laugh at you. Then, they fight you. Then, you win. Success isn't about never failing. It's about never giving up. Every failure is a lesson. Every setback is an opportunity to grow. So, no matter what you're working towards, keep going. Persevere. Because if I can do it, so can all of you. As Enzo Ferrari once said, success is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Finally, let me leave you with the powerful words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in the second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Thank you, and I wish all the best for your journey.